Yo, what is going on? Tuesday, February 24th, 11:18 a.m. Home again because of the snowstorm today. I did take a 1 minute inverse. Got break even. Honestly, bro, now that I think back on the day, I don't think today was my best day, honestly, to be 100% real. Um, and I'm home too, so there's no excuse. I just don't think it was my best day overall. Missed like 2 entries, 1 entry I'd say. And yeah, just not my best day, man. Not my best day. But I did take a trade. I did react. I know like Blake took the trade, Patty took the trade. But now that I look back at it, it is not my proudest trade. And here is 100% why. Let's get into the day. So coming into the day, I was bearish. But as you can see right here, around 850, we just started trending so much lower. Why was I bearish? We had already swept out. We were respecting this big ass 4 hour to begin with. We go down to the hourly. We already had, we had inverses hourly to the upside, yes, but we had already swept out London and Asia high, whereas ES still had them available, but on NQ, we swept them out, and we were just trending lower. We had London low, we had previous day low, and yeah, I wanted to see at least London low get taken, previous day low as well, wouldn't have been bad to go out and get. So, right at open, what do? We dump. I really wanted a Judas swing lower. I 110% wanted the Judas swing lower. I like forward tested just shorting opening candle in general, and it would have 100% played out. But yeah, man, previous day low was lined up with these equal lows on both assets, so I really wanted previous day low. But like every other day, and I was saying this coming into the day, what has been happening? We've been sweeping out a draw liquidity, and then we've been reversing. That happened today. Highest time frame inverse did not take place. But again, like I was talking about, if I'm going to target internal structure, it needs to be more discretionary. I could have easily taken this 2 minute. Easily taken this fucking 2 minute. Easily have taken this 2 minute break even. If I wanted to go right here, break even after 25 points, or I would have targeted this upper 5 minute, and then stops would have had to be below CE up here. Let's see. Yep, wouldn't have been mad at that stop right there. For 1.3 RR, would have delivered in 3 minutes, but was too caught up on the highest time frame. Even could have taken the 1 minute, but again, we had this 3 minute left. 3 minute got edged. Now when this 3 minute didn't close, I was still got edged by a tick. Now when this 3 minute didn't close, I was still like, okay, cool. Like I'm willing to take something else. Let's get a candle closure above here. But this candle closure above here took my break even point. And then it ultimately ran to where my TP would have been, which would have been this 5 minute paired with these equal highs. So yeah, my next trade idea was going to be that. But the only problem that I also did have with this trade idea, where the fuck do I put my stop loss, bro? I guess we could have put it like right here. Target it like 50 points. All right. Oh shit. And then we ran up. It was looking like we really wanted to go out, which we did take this internal high, and I think we're ultimately going to run to this previous day high. Oh wow, this did trend up as soon as I got off. So as I was saying, we had 10 a.m. orange folder news. It wasn't like, I'm not like, oh my gosh, it's orange folder news. But yeah, we start shitting the bed down, and we get a retracement into this 15-minute gap. We also ran through this 5 minute. And I believe we also tagged off of equilibrium of this entire price leg right here. Let me fact check that. Bang, bang. Yes, we did. As you can see, we beautifully rejected off equilibrium. The only problem that I will say with this trade, so it was the internal SMT, rejection of equilibrium, coming out of a 5 minute gap. We have a good amount of LR built up. I honestly would have just TP'd, probably like right here, just to get a win under my belt. Or, nah, yeah, this Wickless candle would have been all right. 1.6 RR. Good break even point with this. Like, I don't want to say good break even point. It's not even a swing high. But yeah, bro, the problem that I would say with this trade is that if we take a look, we had the previous day low SMT too. I'll factor that in. We had opened this 5 minute at 10 a.m. and I completely failed to realize that. So we had got right into it at 10 a.m. The entry was the tag of the 5 minute damn near. And yeah, then we just sat around a little bit of consolidation. Also, there was a 30-second in here that we failed to inverse, so I also didn't like that about it. Honestly, this is like a B-rated trade to me. Yeah, just very internal, but there was only like a couple confluences. It was the external previous day low SMT, the internal SMT right here. We had rejection of equilibrium coming out of a 15-minute gap. Yeah, that was really it. No, this isn't something that I would usually take prior, but hey, I still entered on it, getting that fear out. Then after that, was trying to get a long still, but never got that. As you can see, we had about, because this was still data low, then we made equal lows. Like, I also shouldn't have entered this trade because of it being a data low. It's orange filter though, so who gives a fuck. Then we had fucking about 20 minutes of fucking just straight bullish candles. I wanted to see us then open up this 15 minute because we didn't get a clear rejection out of this 5 minute and get an inverse higher, but we just chopped, bro. We fucking spent the next 25 minutes chopping. I got off at about 10:55. Then the move happened and we took this internal high. So yeah, that was a break-even day for me today. Let's pull up. Yeah, pantalones. As you can see right here. I also need to work on fucking entering on my alphas as well. That's a problem I'm having. So yeah, just need to be more risk on, bro. This discretionary model, like I'm seeing it play out. Like I can see that my read on price is there. I just need to enter on it, dude. Like this 2 minutes should have been a 100% entry. I just don't like how big this fucking stop was as well. Holy shit, dude. I didn't even realize it was that big. Fucking 100-point stop is crazy. I also really didn't hate shorts to this previous day low still, even after we got into this 15 minute, just because of it being paired with equal low. But man, we did SMT with it. But yeah, that's about all that I have for today, man. Back at the JLB tomorrow, so let's lock in.